How to open command prompt at login screen. So if you want to open command prompt at login screen, then what you need to do is first you need to press and hold the shift key on your login screen and simultaneously click on the power button from the bottom right corner. On the bottom right corner of your login screen, you'll have this kind of interface, the power button. You just need simply click on the power button and then press the shift key simultaneously and select the restart button. Once you go with restart, you need to click on restart anyway, and after that you'll have a blue screen interface. Or you can also go to the power button on your sign in screen, hold the shift key and choose the restart option. After that, you'll get the Windows recovery environment, which is like this. The Windows will now start in the Windows recovery environment. You'll have choose an option section or the screen. You need to simply tap on the troubleshoot option, which will be like this. Just click on the troubleshoot, and under troubleshoot, you need to go with the advanced options. And under advanced options, you will have all of these options. You just need to simply go with the command prompt, which is right here, and you'll be able to open the command prompt at your login screen. You will have the command prompt with the system32 path. You can enter the commands to repair the computer or fix some particular kind of error in your CMD. So that's how you can open your command prompt at login screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.